Carbide stamping die has good hardness and wear resistance, which is better than any other type of die steel, but still need to be improved in terms of toughness. The material used in this die needs to meet the requirements of low impact and high wear resistance. And hard alloys with lower cobalt content can be selected. Hard alloys with high cobalt content will be used in die with high impact resistance. The punch layer is the process of separating the material through a concave convex die inside the mold. Carbide stamping die technology is a commonly used processing method in the manufacturing industry to manufacture complex metal parts. First of all, it is necessary to select the corresponding metal material and, according to the design requirements, cut the metal material into the specified size and shape. Assemble and debug the stamping die to ensure that the opening and closing action and machining accuracy of the mold meet the requirements. The prepared material is placed on the stamping machine, processed with the mold, and the shape of the material is changed with a punch to ensure that the product can be formed smoothly. Carbide stamping molding is a manufacturing process used to make metal materials or coils. Parts formed from metal sheets have high strength and good ductility. Compared to the common metal sheet metal process, carbide stamping dies are a more economical process. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome to leave a message in the comment area. Welcome your attention, subscription and consultation to get more industry information.